In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Zoom recording. Deleting a recording depends on where it's stored, so we'll walk through both places, the Zoom cloud and your own computer. If you recorded to the cloud, you'll delete it from your Zoom account in a browser. If you recorded locally, you'll remove it from the Zoom app and then from your computer's storage. Let's start with cloud recordings. Open a browser and sign in to the Zoom web portal at zoom.us with your account. On the left sidebar, click Recordings, then choose the Cloud Recordings tab. You'll see a list of your hosted meeting recordings. Find the one you want to remove. You can select one or select multiple if you're cleaning up in bulk. When you're ready, click Delete Selected or open the three dots next to a specific recording and choose Delete. Zoom will ask you to confirm. Once you confirm, the recording moves to your trash folder, which is helpful if you change your mind. If you're sure you want it gone right now, go into the trash and click Delete Permanently. Keep in mind, Zoom typically keeps items in trash for up to 30 days before deleting them automatically. So if you don't permanently delete them yourself, they'll still disappear after that window. Just remember that once a recording is permanently deleted, it can't be recovered. Now for local recordings stored on your computer. Open the Zoom desktop client. Click on Meetings, then go to the Recorded tab. This shows recordings Zoom knows about on your device. Find the recording you want to remove and click Delete. That clears it from the list inside Zoom, so you won't see it there anymore. However, this does not remove the actual video and audio files from your hard drive. To fully free up space, you need to delete the files from your computer's storage. To do that, open your file manager and go to the folder where Zoom saves recordings. By default, that's usually in your Documents folder, inside a folder called Zoom. Open the matching meeting folder, review the files to make sure you're deleting the correct recording, and then delete those files from that location. This step is what actually reclaims disk space. Before you delete anything, it's a good idea to double-check you're selecting the right meeting and, if needed, make a backup copy. That's all there is to it. Whether you're recording live in the cloud or locally, you now know the clean, safe way to remove it.